Pejujo, Argentina, is a small city that's just over 2 miles wide. This will be a scale of reference for studying this landscape that is full of parallel ruts. The valleys of each of these ruts are about a mile wide. This is a textbook location for the sheet water flow model. Because sheet water flow with low turbulence will create parallel streams of strong current. This is called laminar flow. We can even see parts of a bank that indicate a wide river channel. This is only one of many features that indicate very wide rivers in the past. Let's say you're still skeptical of this sheet water flow model. In order to really prove it, we should expect to find ripples that formed perpendicular to this supposed laminar flow. And we do find this. These ripples are around 500 to 700 feet in wavelength. This is very well-preserved evidence of sheet water flow. Now, of course, this erosion, all being covered in salt deposits and being right next to the ocean, can't help but to make you think that maybe the ocean is responsible for this erosion. This would make these massive channels on the southern tip of South America that are 20 to 30 miles wide caused from an ocean current that washed over this peninsula. If you don't think that happened, then tell me, what do you think is responsible for these salt scablands?